Hello, my name is Eva and I'm going to tell you about a game called MATHRIMINO. The object of the game is to recognize different types of intervals, such as interval notations, inequalities, and number lines, to distinguish and understand them. The game is played by 2 to 8 players. The components of the game are the board, the cards, which are also called triminos, and the rules of the game. Each player of the game is dealt 5 cards, and the game is played clockwise, starting with the youngest player. The first player can take from his pile and place the card on any of the fields on the board. The next player should play a card that matches one of the sides of the card that is already on the table, such as this. It should be noted that the intervals need to be represented differently. For example, a number line can be matched by an interval notation or an interval inequality, It cannot be matched by another number line. The next player again takes from his pile and tries to match one of the sides of the cards already existing on the board. If a player does not have a card matching any of the cards on the board, then he also can match by a color. Now, if a player does not have a card matching any of the cards on the board, then he can also take a card from the draw pile. He can either play the card if it matches, or he can keep it in his pile if it does not match. The winner of the game is the first person to get rid of all of his cards. Thank you for listening and enjoy the game.